Inside of a wrap.
So, Eastern, Sugess, and Secors are all part of the Seagull brand.
Inside of another box.
It's just a watch, so there's going to be a lot of boxes here in between. It's actually really nice printed material. Holy cow, that's like really, really nice.
Instructions.
And it's in English, well printed English. That's very nice. We'll get to that here in a second. Then have a warranty card.
For how long?
I think it's for a year. So it has 2 bands. Cow.
Daddy, the second wasn't you touch it.
Jack, no one's touched it except for me, bud. Get out of the video. I'm trying to make a little video here. Just be silly. So this is, from what my wife would say, a blue band. You think that's a blue band?
It's black.
And then there's a...
Yeah, that's blue and that's black.
And then that's black.
It looks like a watch. Congratulations.
She's far less impressed. Or cool. Move out of the way, Jack, please.
I'm getting a watch.
So we're swapping out from this one here.
The ugly
So this
one.
is my...
Dumb watch.
Don't need your comments, Gav. This is my Galaxy 4, I believe it is. Tourbillon, downloaded for 99 cents. This is the black band. It's identical, just black. And it has that, I think it's a bad rep on YouTube, that latch right there, or clasp. Let's set that up there.
3 weeks later.
And then, oh, this has the plain clasp on it, which I didn't know it was going to have. Get that off in just a second. And then it is
Girls.
all wrapped up.
All wrapped up.
So the other thing in America that you won't find is the automatic movement. You can't buy this on Amazon. You can't buy this on eBay. You can't buy this on any of the websites at all, except for Sugess. And even then, you have to go to the Tourbillon Master part.
So that is a one-of-a-kind thing.
This is a very rare thing, yes. And there's another sticker, I believe, on it.
Yeah, that red line. Unless that red line's just there.
No, it's another sticker there. Holy cow, that's awesome looking. Get there, get that close up, bud. That is an automatic tourbillon. So to get this, you have to go to their website. And you have to buy it from China. You can't buy this in America. And how many joules does it say it has there with your finger out of the way? Water resistant to 5 meters. All stainless.
I want to turn the watch back up.
And let's turn it over.
Date is wrong.
So let's go see if Grandma Judy has like a toothpick or something. Go see if Grandma Judy has a toothpick or something.
Okay.
So charge it up a little bit.
I've got some of these little pit things. I like them better. You want one of these?
Here's the $700 pick. Straight from China.
Yeah, then you got some things you want.
Dad found a toothpick.
So we're gonna have to charge it up.